Hi, I'm David Manti, and welcome to a new episode of 5 Minutes with Industrial Equipment News. With me today is Trevor Smith, Head of Partnerships with Dirac, a company that has found a way to automatically generate high-quality work instructions for mechanical assemblies. It's going to be a big deal for modern manufacturing engineers. Trevor, what is model-based manufacturing?
Absolutely. And great question, David. So in order to answer this question, I would go back just a little bit and try to understand, model-based design, right? Since the early 70s, the CAD tools that are so, common now, really proliferated and created what is model-based design. Now, what we kind of realized is that for some reason, this model-based paradigm never really extended itself into the manufacturing side of the house. Too often, right, a designer would essentially take this CAD file, the model itself, toss it over the wall to the manufacturing engineer and say, essentially go figure out how to manufacture this thing. And so the approach we're taking in particular, model-based work instructions is how do we leverage this CAD file to really augment that manufacturing engineer, along with everyone else involved with the manufacturing processes. So manufacturing engineers, industrial engineers, quality engineers, and, augment their workflows, make it a lot more efficient. And again, leverage this model to really, help with that. And so one way you can do that is apply simulation to it to again automate some of these processes. So applying the model to the manufacturing side of the house is really what I mean by model-based manufacturing.
Okay. How are companies investing in this model-based manufacturing?
Yeah, no, great question. So I'll throw some buzzwords out there first to kind of level set here. So the digital thread, the digital twin are kind of the ways that companies are thinking about how to invest in model-based manufacturing. So not just again on the design side, but on the manufacturing side as well. And so, some folks like to dip their toes in and try to, experiment with different workflows, different tools. There are other companies that are really, headfirst into this, and they have huge initiatives to kind of digitize all of their processes. And so a good way to do that is to kind of take a process as it is. How can I apply some sort of model-based approach to this? What sort of efficiencies will I gain from that? And then, try to tie them all together, which is that digital thread concept. So again, it's sometimes a point solution. Sometimes it's looking at it as an entire ecosystem. And sometimes it's let's test this out and move forward as we see success. And sometimes it's just, full-on adoption.
So why are the PLM and ERP worlds so siloed?
Yeah, I mean, this is kind of one of the concepts we think about a lot, right? Because in our eyes, Dirac and the BuildOS platform kind of sits between these two worlds. It's, the PLM, the product lifecycle management, ERP, enterprise resource planning. One is really design oriented, engineering oriented. The other's, more manufacturing and operations oriented. And what's interesting is the PLM world works in tree structures, right? Assemblies with sub-assemblies and parts and things like this. The ERP world is very table-based. It's very, parts and quantities and things like that. And for too long, people have been trying to kind of pull the ERP back towards the engineering world. And the approach we're taking is really, from the PLM, how do we leverage this model in its tree structure and start to push forward towards the manufacturing world? So inherently, they're siloed because the data structures are different and the people operating them are very different. And so we're trying to really bridge that gap. And I think the digital thread concept, which we're a portion of, especially on the manufacturing side, is again trying to take these two silos, knock them down, and really create an interconnected web of data. So.
No, it really makes a lot of sense to me, Trevor. For people that are looking for more information, where can they go?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, hit up our website, diracinc.com. You can also reach out to me directly, trevor@diracinc.com. We're happy to do demos, show you the platform. We're really just trying to upgrade the modern manufacturer. So if that sounds applicable to you, feel free to reach out.
Awesome, man. Well, thank you again for taking the time. I really do appreciate it.
Of course. Yeah, thanks again, David.